This is a very nice repair manual for farm machinery. The book is in what appears to be great condition, but if you look here, it's not exactly straight. So, you know, who knows where it's been sitting over the years. It seems to be a little crooked, like it's been sitting in a stack. But other than that, the book is chock full of pictures, tractors, and whatever else that goes along with the manual. I hope you like this manual, and this will give you an idea of what's in the book. I notice nobody likes to do that. They don't like you to see what the book's about, and because you haven't seen it is why you want to buy it. So we here at Cincy Auctions have a video format where you can actually get a decent idea, you know, like I say, what you're buying. So check out our other videos, make us an offer. We're ready to sell. Thank you very much for seeing another Cincy Auction.